Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Manny Kenny again. If you are new here, you're very welcome. For any part of this family, I appreciate you for sticking with me and being part of this family. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I maintain my short hair in my braids for it to grow and flourish and always stay moisturized and healthy. So if you want to see that, then stay tuned and let's jump right into this video.
It's Manny Kenny.
So my hair, whenever it comes to my hair, when it comes to braids, box braids especially, the highest I have left them in is 8 weeks, so 2 months. But most of the time, by the time it's about 5 weeks, I'm ready to take it out. But I'm going to show you guys how you can maintain your hair to still, look moisturized and look good for up to 8 weeks. After 8 weeks, don't ask me. I mean, you can still do these things, but I have not done it myself because I just get bored of the hairstyle and I feel like if I already have hair grown out, I just don't like the look. So yeah. So anyways, one of the first things I do is maybe once or twice a week I will moisturize my hair. All you need is like a little spray bottle. I think I got this from Shein or the drugstore, the beauty supply store, I can't remember. But you get a spray bottle, you have some water and some leave-in conditioner. The one I am currently using is this Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I just put a little bit of it in here with some water, shake it, shake, 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 shake it, mix it, and then I go in the hair and I spray. Oh, it sprayed on my face. Yeah, so I just spray it all over. Then you make sure you part it so that it's actually touching, most of the hair. I don't really go line for line, but you can go line for line if you want to be thorough. But I feel like if I go line for line, then it's a bit too much water and you need too much time to dry. And I usually do whatever will be faster for me. So whatever will go work faster is what I would do. But you can go line for line and spray it in there. For me, this works. And I'm just going to part this side also. Spray it in there. Okay, and then the last part. So you want to focus more on, obviously the roots, like right down here, because you want your hair to be moisturized, your scalp to be moisturized. And sometimes I just run my fingers through it to just massage a little bit. Yeah, so that is basically what I do to moisturize. Another extra step that you can be doing is adding an oil, a moisturizing hair oil. So I have the one I'm currently using is from OTJ Naturals. I don't know if this thing can focus. So OTJ Naturals are writing somewhere on the screen. It's a black owned hair brand based in Germany, made in Germany. So I definitely love her products. I have this and I have a leave-in conditioner from the same brand. So I would just, tap it in there and get the oil on my scalp, not too much, but just make sure that I put it in as many spots as possible. My only issue with this bottle is because it's not like a dropper. I'll have preferred if it was a dropper pipette thing, so that would be easy for me to apply, but this also works. So here I try to part a little bit more than when I was spraying, just so that I'll reach most parts of my hair. And then I put the oil, massage it with my fingers, and I basically would do this all over my head. So right now I feel like all of my hair has gotten, some of the moisture, some of the spray, some of the oil, and I'm just going to massage it like I did. While massaging it, I feel like it helps makes the oil move and touch all of the scalp like it's supposed to. So that is basically how I maintain my braids and my hair. So my hair is moisturized, it's not dry, it's growing, it's getting all the nutrients it needs. And you need a really good oil. Let me tell you some of the ingredients in this oil. This oil has tea tree, hemp seed, orange jojoba oil. So it helps. They say this mix helps to fight dandruff, scalp flaking, and reduces scalp dryness and itchiness. So this one is like liquid gold because my hair gets dry and flaky every time it's like in box braids or in any kind of tight braids. It gets itchy. I start having a dry scalp. I start having some dandruff and it's itchy and I cannot hold it. That is why the longest my braids have stayed on my hair is 8 weeks. So if you feel like your hair is a bit itchy, you definitely need to use some type of oil for dandruff that has some tea tree. Tea tree really helps with itches and stuff like that. So that's basically what I do to maintain. So you do this maybe once, for me once a week usually is enough. You can do, depending on how dry your scalp gets, you can do 2 times or even 3 times a week, but I do this once a week. Another thing you can do to maintain your braids to look good and your hair to keep being healthy in the braids is you can wash your hair. I do not like to wash my braids because I feel like every time that I have washed my braids, after that the braids do not look as new anymore. And what I mean is when I wash it, even though when you're washing you focus only here, so you put your shampoo like here and here, like on the scalp, on the hair, on the scalp directly, and you rinse it. But my issue is after that I have noticed that my hair then comes out of the braids a little bit more through the washing, through the scrubbing and all of that, and then the hair generally looks older faster. So if I wash this hair for example, this hair is 2 weeks old today, so if I wash it today for example, then by next weekend I can bet you that I would not want this hair anymore because my hair would have come out of the braids and it would just be, for me it would be like a lot, it would be too old. I don't know, it's just me. Some people don't mind and some people feel like it looks more natural when it's older, but it's true. But for me, I just don't like the look. So immediately my hair start getting too much out of the braids, especially in this part and the front, I'm done, I'm ready to take it out. But if I was to wash, or the times that I do wash my hair, because I do it once in a while, I will go in with a clarifying shampoo. Right now, the shampoo I use on my own natural hair is this one from the drugstore, Nature Box. But if I was washing my braids, I'll probably go for a different type of shampoo. So you can go for a clarifying shampoo and wash your hair, like focus not on the braids itself, but on the scalp, so that you can wash off the oil and all the moisturizing you have been doing, so that your hair doesn't have too much buildup. So you're like kind of removing the buildup so that your scalp is clean. So you wash and then you do your normal moisturizing again. But like I said, for me, I don't know, I don't like to do that, but it is a good step to do if you want to keep your braids like super long. For me, I keep my braids 6 weeks is like the average. Most of the time 5 to 6 weeks I'm ready to take it out. That is why I do not wash my hair when I have my braids on. Anyway, so how do you go to sleep in your hair? This is very important. How to go to bed with your hair will help you, because if you do not do some of these steps, your hair would definitely look old and frizzy really quickly, and then your braids would not last long, and your hair inside your braids will be getting dry and have a lot more breakage. So how do you go to bed with your braids, your box braids, that will still protect your hair and keep its moisture? One thing I would tell you is a satin bonnet is a lifesaver. Okay, satin is very good for the hair, for moisture, for avoiding freezing, and for moisture loss. So This satin bonnet is from Clemilox Hair. I've been using this for years. She's my favorite and I love the color. So this is a two-sided satin bonnet. You can wear it on this side or this side depending on your mood, whatever you're feeling. But anyway, so with me, I sweat at night, and that is why at night I do not like for anything to touch my back. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick. So I would hold up my hair like this and put this on, but because braids are long and there are a lot of hair, my hair would normally, you know, lay on my back or on my neck, and in the night I will sweat like a cow. Okay, no, I do not like that. So one thing that I have been doing that has definitely been helping is I would use a wig cap. So I'll use one of my old wig caps. This one is old and busted even, and I'll use this wig cap, which also definitely helps. But this step is very optional. This is just preference. So if you are like me and you sweat at night and you don't want your hair on your neck and you want to sleep freely, then this is a step you can do. But if you are not like me and you do not sweat and you don't mind your hair touching your back, then just put your satin bonnet and go to bed. So I'll take this old head wig cap and wrap it around. You see, it's so busted, it's even torn, but that doesn't matter. Please use a new one. So I'm just going to put this in here. Honestly, this is what I look like when I go to bed. So don't mind this. So I'll just put this in here. Now you can see that my hair is not touching my back, and I'm happy because I'm not going to sweat. Then I will take this and put it over it. And that is how your girl goes to bed. That is how you should go to bed if you don't want to sweat. So this way, the moisture in your hair will stay in your hair. This will avoid freezes. You can also use like a satin do-rag to tie your hair, or you can use a satin pillowcase, you know, that just helps. Satin is the way to go. So this is what I basically do to go to bed, and these are the few things I do for my hair to last longer while my own natural hair is growing and flourishing in my protective hairstyle like box braids. So these are basically all the steps I do to keep my hair looking good and not frizzy and still be moisturized while my natural hair is growing. And that's how I go to bed, to make sure that the moisture stays in. And like I said, if you have dry scalp, then do these steps regularly, maybe 2-3 times a week. And if you are like me, I don't know, my scalp doesn't get dry that quickly, then I do it 1 time a week. But this is what I do, and this is definitely helping my hair to grow. Like in 2 weeks, you can see the little mini growth that has happened already. And I love braids because I can see my growth as time passes by. So from the first week, the second week, by the 5th week, I'm like, ooh, my hair has grown. And that's why I really love braids so much as a protective hairstyle. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. My son is awake now because I was trying to do this while he's asleep, and now he's awake looking at me like, mommy, I'm hungry. So I'm about to, you know, check out right now and go make him some food to eat. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching to this point. I hope that you learned something new, and I hope that this was helpful for you. Let me know in the comment section if there's any other questions that you want me to answer, if there's any other video you want me to, you know, do for you, and I will make that happen. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching to this point, and thank you for your comments and your likes and your shares. And if you have not subscribed, click that subscribe button and that little bell so you get notified every time I post something new. Do not miss any videos. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video next week, and take care. Have a good day. Love you all. Bye.